Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Kicking Horse, June 16th, 2023. So there's a lot of new stuff since my last video. Right through here, there's nothing new through here. This is all, looks like they're at a slow down right here. Looks like they got all the girders across here now though, pretty well all the way. Coming up over the bridge here. That section there should be done on the right. Should be done pretty soon. Imagine that'll be open to traffic soon. Driving over the bridge. So along here, they've gotten a lot done since my last video. More girders for the viaduct. They haven't cut this down yet, but I'm sure that they're going to pretty soon. It's actually starting to look like a 4-lane highway in some spots. You'll see up ahead. I think this side here on the left-hand side is just a matter of cutting it down and putting in the highway. So more cross ports through here. This stuff here is all pretty new. They're looks like they're getting ready to cement some of it. This is a pretty long section here now that's done. Coming up to the rock cut. So we're coming up here and we're putting in more viaduct along here. Now check this out. They are making such great progress here. Now this is that cut again. Now like I said in my previous video, I don't know if they're doing viaduct along here or if they're just doing paved highway. But as you can see, it's pretty well gone. A little pile up ahead here. Right there on the left-hand side, that's all that's left of that big pile, or that high bank. Okay, so here, from right here, all the way around to the bridge, it looks like they're just putting up the guardrail, doing the guardrail next. Won't be long before I'd imagine we're driving on that. Going over the bridge now. So there's an interesting part coming up here. There's a new section open. So we're coming down the hill. Like it's going to go straight. They're getting this section here all probably ready to pave. I don't think they're putting a viaduct in along here. This will be so nice. Putting up the retaining wall still. Okay, so coming up here, right after these two pickups, look at this. We're driving on that new section that in my last video they were just gonna pave it or cement it. Check this out. Finished, complete. Well, that's it. That's my update for June 16th, 2023. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and have a good day.